Alright, so because in BeamNG the truck automatics are usually pretty bad, I would create one myself, right? And this is the result. Check it out. This is my truck. Yes. And yeah, I mean we got some milk, right? We got some milk. It's important. You gotta stay hydrated. Yeah. Right. Let's close the door. Come on. Alright. So let's start the engine. Come on. Whatever. Alright, so we have a few screens here that give us some information about the truck, I guess. Right, so this tells us how heavy this thing is. And this means we are legally compliant. Legal compliance, very important. Very important. And in this case we're trying to start the truck. Here we go. Alright, what page do we want? Turbo page, pretty cool, right? Yeah, let's do that. Alright, so let's drive. Fucking traffic. Oh no, I damaged my car. Fuck. Whatever. Alright. Anyways, check out this swift matching. This truck selects the gear. It does it automatically. It also knows how to use the incline. So, for example, he knows what kind of road we have ahead. So based on that, he picks the correct gear. And if I enable here, for example, the cruise control, it will show me the speed of cruise control. And it also put in the brake brake, right? So that we don't go too fast. And we can increase the speed here. And then we'll accelerate until it reaches the speed that we don't want to cross, right? Brakes down. Safety is important. Yeah. Oh no. Gotta brake. Let's see if we can do that. It's pretty difficult. Come on. Oh fuck. Alright, I made it, yay. And he ordered us skip gears. Again, I'm going too fast, I don't want that. Oh fuck, I'm going too fast. I don't wanna tip the fuck around, you know. Gotta be careful. Oh man. That's the tip. Oh, it's pretty stable. Let's get down there. Braking, heavy braking. Yeah, you made it. You can also shift in manual gears if you want that. Engine brake, retarder. Slow me down. Come on, slow me down. I'm not using brakes at all, it's just this engine brake thing. Oops. I damaged the truck. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm a controller, so my truck doesn't maybe read. Alright. And this thing is a pretty early version, so I still have to adjust some values so it really gets perfect. But for now it seems pretty good, right? It's better than default stuff at least. And the consumption is also pretty interesting. What's this guy doing? Buddy. Oh no. Don't damn it, Maria, don't. That was close. That was close. Alright, cool. Let's get down there. Didn't even look at the road, man. Oh no, that little bug. It's a problem. What the fuck? Alright, let's go. Oh, you're lucky. Let's see if we can overtake him. Fuck. I don't see anything. I don't see a road. Alright. This should work. This should work. Nothing happened. Fuck. I gotta get a repair shop or something. Doesn't look good. Let me get down there. Oh fuck. Oh no. Nobody's up here. That sucks. God damn. Oh no. Check the damage. It's not looking good. Not looking good. Oh, holy shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck the truck up. Damn. That okay? Should be good, should be good. Alright. So let me know what you think of that truck.